guys, there's this girl 11, so I'm looking at 2 ways. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, I'm boredom. So see this, you can't see my soup. So guess what soup it is? No, it's gonna guess it, I know. There was no chopsticks. I wonder who took them. I'm looking at you, bitch. Nothing happened. I'm sorry, I have to cuss. I'm sure you don't know what this is. It's the all new 7-Up. I'm kidding. Nothing. Doesn't mean. Oh my god. So this is good. I see how. Well, this isn't my first time trying it, but I'm not sure how. I would describe how it tastes. Ah! I still have baby teeth. Plus, I have a molar that is trying to. I know this looks so weird, just looking at a person eating. I think I can show you. Man, looks like I'm eating weird stuff. It's called sopa de mora. Sorry, sopa de mora. I'm gonna say it in English. Tomorrow I can't vlog because frickin' pool time with my cousins, but sadly I can't bring any electric stuff. I think I could bring it. Oh, I know. I can bring, you know, my phone. I can hide it with my mom's purse. I got it. I have to eat quickly. This is how I freaking eat. I did not know. It's been time since I'm eating. Let's talk about weird stuff. Let's talk about foods. So I could tell you some stuff about me. And mostly Starbucks. I'm kidding. I like Starbucks. I mean, I get coffee there. I'm kidding. I don't get coffee. I get like, do you know the unicorn? No, people might say, yes, well, the unicorn is trending. I mean, I like it. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Oh, no. Oh. Shoot. My dog is here. Can't show you on my camera because he's humongous. Actually, I'm kidding. I have a cat. I have a dog and a cat, and my dog is outside. I don't let dogs in my house. I know it seems rude talking well. Yeah, I'm wrong. Screw it. What? Jeez, my ancestors do that. Like, what's wrong with that? Okay, that never happened. Let's say that never happened. Please. Noodle soup. What? Sorry, I had to do something to my cat. I'm blushing a little bit. Okay, I'm blushing. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, something's just gonna fall. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Food! My food video! What I eating today? What I'm eating today? People are gonna say, what a creep. Why are you blogging what you eat? It's delicious. I can't show you anything. Look now. It's like completely almost devoured. I just saw something. I swear so. Oh, my cat is still here. Oh my god. Hey, Nani. Nani means what? And because I said what when I got my first cat, so I'm like, Nani. That's cute. It's like, what's your cat's name? I can't bring my cat. My cat is doing a lot of weird stuff today. Blushing because of that. Oh, jeez. I'm seriously blushing because of that. Well, I don't think you can see it from the camera, but I'm starting to blush. Jeez. I'm getting goosebumps now. Okay, my cat is doing stuff too. To my shoe. Yeah. It's yeah. Good family friendly content. Oh. Yeah. Family friendly. Family friendly, you guys. I'm family friendly. That sounded so wrong. Yeah, I'm weird. I'm freaking weird. Oh my god. Bye. I can't show you anything after this because I'm scared of weird. Bye, suckers. Bye. Wait. Which one's better? This one. Bye, son.